Welcome to the Scripting in Unity session. Now this is a beginning through advanced scripting course for the art student. Now this means that we're going to cover the basics. So if you've never programmed before, if you feel lost looking at code, or you want to get the foundations needed, then you're starting with the right videos. Now our primary goal is to develop a strong foundation for programming logic, JavaScript grammar, and semantics. Now while we learn how to script, we will put it into practice by creating scripts for game-related events. Now Unity supports multiple languages, all of which get compiled to its native code and runs nearly as fast as C++. Now we have the option of JavaScript, C#, and a dialect of Python called Boo. Now all three are equally fast and interoperate. Now all three can use the underlying .NET libraries, which support databases, regular expressions, XML, file accessing, and networking. Now for the artist and designer alike, your preferred language will most likely be JavaScript. A JavaScript is a collection of commands. Basically, they tell the computer to do something. Now this collection of commands is usually called source code or just code. Now commands are either functions or keywords. Keywords are the basic building block of the language, while functions execute a whole bunch of statements built from keywords in a single command. Now in this series, we're going to look at three major parts. In part 1, we will work through the basics of JavaScript, basically keywords. In part 2, we will figure out how to use our new skill with Unity's API, the Application Programming Interface. And then finally, in part 3, we'll work through several challenging exercises designed to push your programming abilities. So let's get started with IDEs, Programming Basics, and Unity Scripting.